Hello everyone. So yesterday we discussed about linked list, some features and what are the use cases. So today our focus is mainly on reversing the linked list. Okay, let's get started. So this topic covers primarily a specific data structure, that is a linked list, and our focus is mainly reversing the linked list, and in a practical way we will see how it is going on. So in pictorial representation we will see that in this video. Okay, let's get started. So these linked list use cases, examples, all these things about the linked list, all these things we have discussed in yesterday. Yeah, this is what in yesterday video I have taken three nodes only. Now for a better understanding purpose I have taken four nodes. Okay, first node is having 10. 10 next pointer is pointing to 20, and 20 node is that 20 is a data, and 20 nodes next pointer is pointing to 30, which is like a 30 node. So to make it a better understanding, I am trying to put each node as a colored node, so it will be more easy to understand for us now. So first node I am saying as a red node. Red node is having 10 as a data part, and second part is next node address. So red node's data part is 10. The second part is next node address is green node. Green node's data part is 20, and its address part, which is next node address part, is blue node. And inside blue node the data part is 30, and next node address is yellow node. Yellow node also having a data part as a 40, and next node address as null. So the yellow is pointing to null, and this particular entire list head is red, and last node is pointing to null, and four nodes are there. Let's try to do a reversing the linked list. How do we do? Let's think about in a general way. So reversing list first, so reversing list means first should be the yellow, next is blue, next is green, next is red, and red should point to null. That's how you should construct. So we should cut from starting one by one node. So which means first you should cut that red node, and then cut this green node, and then cut this blue node, and then take out this yellow node, and construct a new linked list. So how do we construct? Let us see in a structured manner. So here the original list and new list I am taking. The original list, red node is a head node, and red is connected to green's next is pointing to blue's next is pointing to yellow's next is pointing to null. The same original list, and I need to pull out this red node and put it into new list. So in the new list, at first time, at a first starting time, it is empty list, it doesn't have any nodes, and head node is pointing to null. So let's pull this red node and put it in down. Yeah, I have taken the red node and put it in down. Red node's next. So once I put in down, red node's next I have updated to null, and head node is red node here in the new list, and in the original list head node is updated to green node. Yeah, let's pick the green node and put it into the new list. Let's go here. Yes, and the green node I have picked up and put it into the new list, and original list head node I updated to blue node, and the new linked list head node will be green node. But before updating the head node, green node's next is I have to update as a red. So the red was a previous head node. Okay, so green node's next is updated to red node, and what I need to do, I should pick the blue node and put it into the new list. Yeah, go ahead.
So now we should pull the from the original list we should pull the blue node down into the new list. So now the head node is blue node, and the green next is red. In the new list the green next is red and previous head. So head node is green node, and next we have to pull the blue node from the new list from the original list, and we have to put in the new list. And now the head node is yellow node. The head in the original list the head node is yellow node, and in the new list the head node is blue node. Blue next is green. Blue next updated to green node and previous head. Thank you. Now yellow node is we should pull from the original list we should pull the yellow node from the original list and keep in the new list, and the head node is null. In the head node, in the original list the head node is null, and in the new list the head node is yellow node. Yellow node yellow updated next is blue node and previous head. Thank you.
Yeah, now entire linked list is reversed. So as we saw in the initial time, the first node used to have 10, second node used to have 20, third used to have 30, fourth used to have 40. Now after reversing this linked list in new list, first node is having 40, second is 30, 20, 10, and its red nodes next is pointing to null. So let us see a simple, very easy code. How do we reverse the linked list in Python? So reverse is a function. It's a class method. So inside that, like I am taking 4 variables. Previous is one variable, current is one variable, next node is another variable. 1, 2, 3, 3 variables. But current is what type of variable? These all are node type variables. So current every node will have obviously next node address. So like this you see here, every node is having data part and next node address part. Like that current dot next also plays a very key role. And previous node I have made it as none. Current is equal to self dot head. This is like a fixed self dot head, and at the end of all the operations done we need to update this self dot head. So whatever here we are updating, right, head node is updated to null, which should be done after all the operations is done. Yeah, let us see. Self dot head is current, and while current node, if current node is not none, you keep on do all these 4 operations. Next node is equal to current dot next, and current dot next is equal to previous, this temporary variable, right, which is initially it is none, and previous is updated to current node is updated to next node. Do the same operations again and again till the current node is becoming none. Once all these iterations are completed, all the 4 times, if you are imagining your linked list is having 4 elements, you do 4 times this loop and exit the loop, then self dot head is previous, which is nothing but this yellow node. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe and comment in the channel. Let's talk in the description.